Did you know that you're probably losing around $1,200 every year just living the average American life? According to the National Financial Education Council, most Americans today are more financially educated than previous generations. However, a majority of the population is still financially inept or illiterate. While this doesn't spell financial doomsday, seeking quality advice and a helping hand early on would most likely benefit you now and in the late game. If you want to make the best out of your finances, then you better get yourself a financial advisor who can help you make the right decisions with your money and achieve your financial goals. Welcome to Luxo-Life, your partner toward personal growth and success. Today, we're going to talk about one of the best and biggest financial decisions you will ever make for a better life: finding a good financial advisor. Why should you get one, and what are the benefits? So be sure to stick with us till the end because you don't want to miss out on this big discussion. Even if you're not one of those people who have an extensive amount of money on hand, as long as you have ambitions for your money, a financial advisor can be a great help. So here are some tips to help you find the right financial advisor that fits your needs. Number 1. Getting to know your financial situation. Before actually getting a hold of a financial advisor, you might want to first assess your financial situation and in which areas you need help, so that when you finally have the chance to speak to an advisor, you're prepared to tell them how and in what ways they can help in managing your finances. However, if you're not so sure about those details yet, then a financial advisor can also help assess your current financial situation and needs. Investment advice is not the only thing financial advisors can help you with. Those who are truly passionate about their jobs of assisting people to brighten their financial tomorrow would guide you in navigating and getting through all your financial requirements. Financial advisors can help with concerns such as life insurance, real estate, loans, investments, and retirement plans. Each situation is different, and a financial advisor is not a one-size-fits-all. You can count that you won't be getting the same advice as a senior seeking retirement or a college graduate freshly in debt. So you have to be decisive with your plans in mind and figure out which type of advisory would suit you best and target your specific needs. Are you a single young adult just looking for extra help with future expenses? Or a parent with financial issues that can't be defeated single-handedly? It all depends on your situation in life and how you see yourself long-term. That's for you and your advisor to consider before getting into any super extensive financial planning. Number 2. Getting to know your financial advisor. While most financial advisors are prim and proper professionals, anyone can claim the title so long as they've passed the state licensing exam and have been trained in the field for a couple of weeks or months. More so, there are no federal laws that ban people from calling themselves financial advisors, advocates, experts, agents, and whatnot. Finally, you must be aware that not all financial advisors seek your and your money's welfare, but rather their benefits and gain. It's not uncommon for salesman-type advisors to sniff out your wad of cash and want a piece of that pie. So getting to know a financial advisor that you can trust with your finances is a bit more challenging than you'd expect. However, it's absolutely possible to find a good one. A fiduciary is someone who can either advise you on how to handle your money or actively manage your finances and is under fiduciary duty. Fiduciary duty requires the advisor to work and keep their client's best interest, making sure that the client is the one benefiting from the plan, not them. To find the best financial advisor for your needs, you must ensure that the person you're looking for is bound by fiduciary duty for the protection of your financial interests. Because there will always be self-proclaimed financial advisors lurking about who would try and sell you the highest quality plan at the highest possible expense so they can fill their pockets with higher commissions. Thankfully, the SEC has this under control by making sure that only those who hold themselves to a high enough standard can use the word advisor to refer to themselves. However you wish to pick out your financial advisor, you have to be certain that they're earning honest money and that their recommendations are trustworthy and the best fit for your needs and goals in mind, not their pockets. In addition to this, here are a couple of examples of financial advisors to help you decide better for yourself. Free-only financial advisors. These are people who earn money directly from the services you pay for. This could be an hourly rate, a flat rate, or just a percentage of the assets they are handling for you. And because these types of advisors earn their paychecks directly from their clients, they make sure to follow their fiduciary duties and please the clients. Some financial advisors earn commissions from third parties. These are the ones who get paid not only for your payments, but also for selling you certain financial products. These commission-only advisors do not follow fiduciary duties because their main source of income is from selling their products to clients, so you have to take extra care when interacting with them. Of course, commissions aren't some terrible thing that people use to scam you. They're not something you should be extremely wary of, but it is important to take note of these advisors who really care about your interests or just want to pick the money out of your pocket. Choosing the service you want from your financial advisor is one theme we've been reminding you of throughout this series. Again, these services differ from each advisor, and it is your responsibility to find the one that's best for you. Number 3. Getting to know your benefits. Some advisors would offer investment advice. These are the ones that help balance out your investment portfolio, that encourage you enough but will not force you out of the level of risk you are comfortable with. Other people need help with debt and loans. Some advisors will help out in mapping out a plan for your repayment, whether it is for credit card debts, student loans, car loans, or even mortgages. Other advisors would also help in retirement planning for your long-term goals that are your top priorities, help you strategize in tax planning, make sure you have something to leave your children to with estate planning, and even assist in making sure their schooling gets funded with college planning. A simple yet helpful service that other advisors might give out is budgeting. Financial advisors, for the name itself, are trained to analyze and figuring how you spend your money that moment you get the paycheck. These advisors help you create an effective budget plan that helps you save and spend just the right amount. And the most common one is financial advisors help with insurance coverage. Maybe you bought an old insurance that you're done paying for, but it wasn't the best for you. Some friend just marketed it to you and you jumped right in. Financial advisors make sure to find the best suited insurance that fit your financial standing. In times of economic crises as well, financial advisors may stand to be your best friend. They give out good advice, share their perspectives, and provide you with advice that you would want to carry during economic turmoil. On top of all of these, since we are talking about being wiser with your finances, make sure to be decisive on how much you want to pay for a financial advisor. Your main priority is to spend just the appropriate amount of money and not go too all out. So paying a reasonable amount for a person to help you out in such a situation is something you would want to consider. With the internet going rampant these days, it's not a challenge to find the perfect advisor for you. The National Association of Personal Financial Advisors, or the NAPFA, provides a free database of financial advisors worldwide. Again, the best advice we can give you for finding the right financial advisor is to be aware. As easy as it is to find a financial advisor online, you can't really tell if they're the real deal or not. Check the credentials and make sure they're trustworthy. Aside from getting your financial plans and finances straight, there are some pleasant benefits of connecting with a good financial advisor. Paying taxes. Financial advisors are knowledgeable about taxes. It's necessary for their business. So if they have your best interests in mind, they can also make sure that you're paying enough but not too much taxes and making the most out of your tax returns and deductions. Connecting with highly educated and helpful friends. The best financial advisors in the industry are often the ones you can easily be friends with, because even when you are paying them for their services, these people know the value of quality relationships with clients and fellow professionals. It's naturally easier to trust a friend than merely a professional, and so our final advice for you is, find a financial advisor you can be friends with, because it's one thing to have a financial professional by your side, but it's another bonus to have a highly educated friend to help you make your life better. Don't you think it's worth it to invest in a good financial advisor? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more awesome and educational videos.